In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a hosting or domain to Odoo. Now, this is very easy. If you watch this whole video, you'll have your domain connected in no time. And hopefully, all of your problems and issues will be solved. So you want to go ahead and obviously go to Odoo. Once you're logged into your profile icon in the top right-hand corner, then go to My Databases. And here you'll see your website. Here you now go ahead and click on the Settings icon and then go to Domain Names. And from here, you can go ahead and use your own domain. We've got our domain registered on Hostinger, so I click use my own domain, and then we need to go to Hostinger and we need to log in to our account. Once you're logged in, it will take you in something like this. It may have changed a little bit, but you need to go ahead and find domains and then go to your domain portfolio. Now, inside your domain portfolio, you need to go ahead and find the domain you want to connect. So I'm going to use this. We can click manage, and once we're done, we can go ahead and go to DNS or name servers. You then need to scroll down and find a part of the website where you can manage your DNS records and add new records. Now we need to go type. We need to change it to CNAME, because if we go ahead and look on Odoo, we need to just create one CNAME record. Now let's not get ahead of ourselves. I don't want to confuse you too much, but before we go ahead and add a CNAME record, we need to go ahead and paste in the domain into this field here. So before you go to manage DNS, just scroll up and you probably want to copy your domain. So I'm going to copy it here, and then we can type in here www.yourdomain.com, and then once it's in this field, you can then go ahead and add the CNAME record. So again, on Hostinger, on the back end, go to DNS name servers and then scroll down and go to manage DNS records. Now we need to go to type again and then the CNAME, and then for name, you want to change this to www. Now it may say that it's conflicting with another record. So what we can do is to scroll down, and then we're going to look for the new CNAME www record, which we can go ahead and delete. Obviously, you can't have two records, right, that are conflicting. So it's not going to be conflicting. Now we just need to paste it in the target. So for that, it's going to tell you exactly what to paste here. So you need to create a CNAME record with your domain pointing to, and then for me, it's knowledgebasehub.com, but yours will say obviously your database, and it will tell you exactly what to copy here. So just highlight it all and then copy it, then go to Hostinger and then go to target and paste that in. So now it should recognize that the other DNS has gone. So there we go. Now all of this entered, we can go ahead and click on add record again, and this is how easy it is. And that is how you can basically connect Hostinger domain to Odoo. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.